I've become obsessed with pickling all types of vegetables. Red onions and jalapenos are my top 2 favorites. I have a good reason why I love pickling so much. So stay tuned and let's talk about why. All ingredients are listed down below. I like to use fresh ingredients for pickling recipes. So I have these chunky jalapenos. I want to start by prepping the ingredients. So once it's time to pickle, everything is set and ready to go in my pickling station. I prefer most of my vegetables thinly sliced. The jalapenos are in between thick and thin cut. I do want to go ahead and discuss a few reasons why I love pickling. Now, a top reason why I love pickling is they are low in calories and perfect for, in addition to anything you want, like a power bowl, a salad, tacos, and so much more. And they also add the perfect balance with either a spicy dish, sweet dish, or even a combination of both. I also like to make pickled cucumbers. I was interested in trying out this kind, so I tried to do this chopstick method to create a swirl-like shape. Some came out okay, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's all going to the same place, my stomach, of course. So some may not know this cool fact about pickling vegetables, but the fermentation process can increase the bioavailability of nutrients, making it easier for our body to actually absorb the vitamins and minerals we intake, of course, from the things we eat, the things we drink. So if you're using the detox juices, having healthier style eating and stuff like that, then of course you're going to get those nutrients when you add things like pickled onions and different vegetables of such. Next, my number 1 favorite is pickled red onions. Pickled red onions enhances every dish you add to. Now, especially when you incorporate different spices and herbs and citruses to the mix, it's so good. I peeled and thinly sliced a large red onion and placed all of the ingredients to the side. Next, for the pickling brine, in a small sauce pot on medium-high heat, I went ahead and bring 2 cups of water to a boil along with 2 cups of white vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar of your choice, depends on what you like. And then I added the salt and sugar. Add any additional spices or flavorings that you like as well. Bring the mixture to a simmer, stirring until the salt and sugar has dissolved. Remove the sauce pot from the heat and let the brine cool down for just a few minutes. Now it's time to pickle. I freestyled a bit, y'all, which is something I love to do while being in the kitchen, and I highly recommend. It makes cooking so much more fun. So I placed the red onions and jalapenos into heat-proof and clean jars. Many vegetables contain antioxidants, and pickling helps preserve these beneficial compounds, which helps protect our body from the oxidative stress and inflammation and things of that nature. Now, I love a good Walmart. I found the perfect pickling spice mix to add to the red onions jar, and I will have a link below. Well, I would try if I find it. Next, I'm adding more flavor boosters to each jar, including chili flakes and fresh garlic with the jalapenos. I'm adding fresh lemon juice into the red onions jar to give it a little pop. I added a dash of soy sauce to enhance the flavor of the jalapenos and chili flakes. Last but not least, I'm filling the jar up with the warm brine. Cover and let that cool, sitting out, okay? So for the pickled cucumbers, I added cucumbers to the jar along with a little red onion for a light kick, spices, and the brine. Then I place the jars into the refrigerator for about 24 to 48 hours for the best results, but 30 minutes if you're in a hurry. After at least a day of the vegetables pickling, go ahead and enjoy it with a power bowl, tacos, salads, wraps, a burger, and so much more dishes you can really name and just try and see if you like it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below for other recipes or video topics you would like to see from me, Chas. I will see you all in the next video.